Hello folks, it's Coby from CobyWright.com, and today we're going to be talking about using an FTP client to create folders and to upload files to your website. An FTP client is, I believe FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's a fancy way of saying it's a way to put something on your website. You can also do this within your hosting if you have a control panel, but that's a different video. So for this video, we're just going to go ahead and stick with this method. I'm doing this video because, as you know, I sent out an email to y'all a few days ago asking if you have any questions to let me know, and I'd see if I could answer some of them. And two of the questions I got back, one was from Ken. He wanted to know how to create a directory using an FTP client, and Jenny wanted to know how to upload an ebook to her website after she created it. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone today, and I'm going to show you how to do both of those. I'm going to show you how to create a directory, which a directory is just a fancy name for a folder. That's all it is. It's a folder. And also how to upload your ebook or whatever to your website. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Site Manager. Then you'll have all your information in here, and then just hit connect. And it'll connect to your website. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to choose public HTML. This is where all your website files are contained. And I'm just going to pick a dead directory. That's the dead one. And I'll show you how to delete files, since I need to do that. I'm just going to hit Control, and I'm going to select each one of these. And then I'm just going to hit delete. You can also right click, go down and delete. Delete 4 files and 2 directories, yes. Okay, now we have a blank. There's nothing in here. We're going to put create a new directory, which is a folder. So right click, which is I just right clicked. That's how this box appeared. And then we'll go down to create directory. And now we'll just name it, and we're going to call it. Since we're going to pretend that we're putting a ebook that you just made to sell onto your website, you're going to want to name your directory something that's not easily guessable. So you put some numbers in there, like, or we'd put DL, how about 46? That's 48. Just whatever, just a few numbers and a couple letters. Ebook. Something that somebody can't easily guess. And then once you've created that directory, click on it to open it up and to go inside of it, and then select your ebook. Let's say that you've got it in a zip package like this. Maybe you've got some other stuff in there. In this case, it's an ebook and some Excel files and whatnot. So all you're going to do is right click and hit upload. That's it. Now, of course, you're going to want to name. You're going to want to change the name. So I'm going to right click, rename, and you're just going to want to make it something that's not easily guessable. I'll just type random stuff, and then hit enter, and it will save it with the new name. And now, whenever for your customers to download the ebook, what you would do is it would be. Let me pull up a notepad here so you can see. In this case, it would be yoursite.com, and then the directory, which is the folder DL48376 7 DKJE. Oh, I'm sorry. This is case sensitive. At least the directory part is. The website's not, obviously. And then you would /, and then you would put in the name of the file. BH564 DKJ98V domains.zip. And that is the link that you would give your customer to download the ebook. So what you would do is you would copy this, and then you would just hyperlink it to some text, or you could send them it in the first email in the autoresponder. I would recommend though that you first run this through a shortener like goo.gl or tinyurl.com. That way that it just doesn't just clearly give away where you have your goodies hidden. Of course, you're not gonna put every ebook in the same folder and stuff just in case. And that's pretty much all that you do. That's all it takes to use an FTP client to create a directory. To create a directory and to upload a file. Upload a file to your server. You could do it the same way if you were uploading a website or whatever. And you actually don't have to right click. You can actually just double click on it as well. Say you're just downloading. You just want to upload the PDF. That's all. You don't have anything else to it, like this right here. We do it the exact same way. And this time I'm going to double click it instead of right clicking and hitting upload. There you go. Another thing you can do is you can click it and you can drag it over here. And you can see it started it. So there's 3 ways that you can do it. Seeing as how I don't need any of these, I'm going to delete them. And call it a day. This is Coby Wright on CobyWright.com, signing off.